Oh, here's a baby goat.
Oh. Yep. Coming down. We're gonna have some sweet views out here right now. Oh, look at this steep hill. Just
Dundee's home beach.
This is Dundee's home beach. I think Dundee's getting excited. No problems in the car. There it is. Oh, here's some local chickens too. Switchbacks. And we're here. This is the local beach. Brewers Bay is about 4 minutes away from our house, so we try bringing Dundee here almost every day.
Really busy.
It's really busy today. Normally there isn't this many people on it. We usually park right here and take him out here. To get Dundee out, we decided we're gonna stay at Brewers Bay, even though there's a bit of people. So I'm just gonna open up the back here, get our hound out. Hi, bud. Hi, Dundee. Stay here. I'm gonna get Dundee on a leash, and then we're gonna go to the bay. Ready? Go on, Dundee. Dundee. Oh! Get the toy.
He's scared.
Dundee, go on. Get the toy. Oh no. Go on. There we go.